How to access and use the flashlight on the Garmin Forerunner 165. Welcome to another Garmin Forerunner 165 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the flashlight on your Forerunner 165. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to use the flashlight on the Garmin Forerunner 165, the first thing we need to do is open up the control menu, and we can easily do that by holding the light button just for a second or two. By default, you won't have flashlight available, so all we need to do is customize it by holding the up button just for a second or two, then select Add Controls, go down to Flashlight, select it with Start or Stop, and then it will be added. We can use the back button to go back to the control menu, find the flashlight icon right there, and then there you go. We now have the flashlight. So as you can see, it has full white, where it has 3 bars, and then you can go down to red shift for something that's a little bit lighter on your eyes. All right, so that's how you use the flashlight on your Garmin Forerunner 165. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Forerunner 165 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching.